Hey guys, Michael Koski once again here from Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today I got a beautiful new Grand Design Reflection. This is the new 2024 model year, 298BH in the 150 class, kind of catering towards your 3/4 ton, heavy duty half ton, sitting dry at about 9,000 pounds. I'll do a little walk around on the outside and then we'll take you inside and see what you think. Starting up front, fiberglass front cap, nice white with gray and black accents. You're gonna get dual 30-pound LP tanks, nice big pass-through storage, motion sensor lighting, outlets, battery disconnect. Really nice solid steps. These are the step above steps. Big power awning. Nice windows, outlets, TV hookups, outdoor kitchen, nice little griddle top, nice fridge, motion sensor lighting, outlets as well. There are magnets to hold these up, and these are slam latches. Ladder to access the roof, spray port, 2-inch receiver, hitch for accessories with 4-way flat toe, backup camera ready. Power cord input, this is a 50 amp service. Just really nice white exterior, the gray, the black, not too busy, looks really sharp. Nice big furnace here. You got the Furrion on-demand hot water, all-in-one docking station, TV hookups, push button, electric auto level, dump tanks, winterizing, outdoor shower. It's just all in one great convenient space. Beautiful windows and a great bunkhouse for the whole family. We'll step inside. Again, nice adjustable solid aluminum steps, big grab handle. This one does have the cold weather package, so you do have the enclosed heated underbelly. But right when you step inside, big dining, living, kitchen area. Fold out sofa bed, nice big U-shaped dinette, storage below. This coach has solar on board, 12-volt fridge, huge counter space. A lot of area for prepping, for entertaining. You're out camping, have a lot of friends and family over. It's a great place to congregate and have fun or watch your favorite game. Great room for the kids, all plumbed and ready to go. If you want to put a TV in here, although you should get them out and get them hiking and biking and having fun when you're camping, but hey, the weather does get bad, it's good to have a TV location. Nice windows, emergency exit in the back, great storage for the kids. You have that door, nice barn door style. Close that off, have the privacy, put the kids to bed and sit back and have fun and enjoy your time. Storage everywhere, LED lighting throughout, outlets, charging ports. Nice big TV directly in line of that dinette, so it's a good viewing area. And kind of can be seen from all over this kitchen dining area. Nice ducted AC system. Nice residential step-in shower. A little additional lighting for you. Medicine cabinet. Plenty of room in the bathroom here for the toilet. Nice big shower. Medicine cabinet again, additional sink. Nice queen bed up front here. Nice blackout roller shades. Great storage. And a big wardrobe closet with drawers. All plumbed and ready to go if you want to add a TV in here. Nice barn style pocket door. Nice roomy spacious bunkhouse, lightweight, solar, 2 ACs, 150 series, catering towards that lighter duty 3/4 ton or real heavy duty half ton. Dry weight about 9,000 pounds. Alright guys, once again, thank you for taking the time. My name is Michael Koski with Bullion RV. You can call me, text me, 218-740-4968. Be sure to like, comment, share. You know, we're here to help you. If you have questions, concerns, let us know. We want to help you get out camping. Enjoy your summer. Thanks for taking the time. Have yourselves a great day.